Once upon a time, in a distant galaxy, there was a world not too different from our own. It too had colours, smells, even high definition. However, there was one major difference between this world and our own. This was a world without sound. When I say a world without sound, that's not quite true. For there was sound, but it was under the total control of an evil villain, known rather creatively as the Master of Sound. He was able to start and stop sound at the clap of his hands. He could affect volume just by thinking about it. He truly was pure evil. However, there were 4 men who decided to stand up against this evil. These men were unyielding in their fight for sound, and thus decided to form a band so they could create their own music. They formed a band the likes of which had never been seen. Operation A.R.D. On bass and vocals, Matt. On lead guitar, Alan. On rhythm guitar, Mark. And on drums, Sam. They started a band practice in the hope that with their combined effort and skills, they would be able to create sound and bring an end to the Master's reign. Unfortunately, they did not bank on how strong the Master's control of the sound actually was, and as soon as they attempted to play, he was summoned. The Master then proceeded to take over their band practice and really show them how it was done. He messed with the band again and again, showing off his skills. He then ended it all with one final earth-shattering guitar solo which shook the earth to its very core, killing every living thing on the planet, leaving the world silent once more.